123. In the given figure, which component has thin outer walls and highly thickened inner walls? 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. Answer 1C. 124. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Chromosome become gradually visible under light microscope during liptoting stage. Statement 2. The beginning of diplotin stage is recognized by dissolution of synaptonymal complex. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 1. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. 125. List of endangered species was released by 1. GEAC, 2. WWF, C. FOAM, 4. IUCN. Answer 4. IUCN. 126. Which of the following are required for the dark reaction of photosynthesis? A. Light, B. Chlorophyll, C. CO2, D. ATP, E. NADPH. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 3. C, D and E only. That is CO2, ATP and NADPH. 127. The type of conservation in which the threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special settings where they can be protected and given special care is called 1. In situ conservation, 2. Biodiversity conservation, 3. Semi-conservative method, 4. Sustainable development. Answer 2. Biodiversity conservation. 128. What is the fate of a piece of DNA carrying only gene of interest which is transferred into an alien organism? Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 3. B and C only. That is, it may get integrated into the genome of the recipient. It may multiply and be inherited along with the host DNA. 129. The lactose present in the growth medium of bacteria is transported to the cell by the action of 1. Beta-galactosidase, 2. Acetylase, 3. Permease, 4. Polymerase. Answer 3. Permease. 113. Which one of the following can be explained on the basis of Mendel's law of dominance? Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 2. A, C, D and E only. That is, out of one pair of factor, one is dominant and other is recessive. Factor occur in pairs in normal diploid plants. The discrete union controlling a particular character is called factor. The expression of only one of the parental character is found in a monohybrid cross. 131. Which one of the following is not a criterion for classification of fungi? 1. Morphology of mycelium. 2. Mode of nutrition. 3. Mode of spore formation. 4. Fruiting body. Answer 2. Mode of nutrition. 132. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Bt toxins are insect group specific and coded by a gene Cry1AC. Statement 2. Bt toxin exists as inactive protoxin in Bacillus thuringiensis. However, after ingestion by the insect, the inactive protoxin gets converted into active form due to the acidic pH of the insect gut. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. That is, Bt toxins are insect group specific and coded by a gene Cry1AC is true, but Bt toxin exists as inactive protoxin in Bacillus thuringiensis. However, after ingestion by the insect in the inactive protoxin get converted into active form due to the acidic pH of the insect's gut is false. 133. Bulliform cells are responsible for 1. Inward curling of leaves in monocots, 2. Protecting the plant from salt stress, 3. Increased photosynthesis in monocots, 4. Providing large spaces for storage of sugars. Answer 1. Inward curling of leaves in monocots. 134. A pink flowered snapdragon plant was crossed with red colored snapdragon plant. What type of phenotype is or are expected in this progeny? Only red flowered plants. 2. Red flowered as well as pink flowered plants. 3. Only pink flowered plants. 4. Red, pink as well as white flowered plants. Answer 2. Red flowered as well as pink flowered plants. 135. How many molecules of ATP and NADPH are required for every molecule of CO2 fixed in the Calvin cycle? 1. 2 molecules of ATP and 3 molecules of NADPH. 2. 2 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. 3. 3 molecules of ATP and 3 molecules of NADPH. 4. 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. Answer 4. 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH. 136. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 2. A3, B1, C4, D2. That is, Robert May, global species diversity at about 7 million. Alexander von Humboldt, species area relationship. Paul Ehrlich, Rivet-Popper hypothesis. David Tillman, long-term ecosystem experiment using outdoor plots. 137. Identify the correct description about the given figure. 1. Wind-pollinated plant inflorescence showing flowers with well-exposed stamens. 2. Water-pollinated flower showing stamens with mucilaginous covering. 3. Cleistogamous flowers showing autogamy. 4. Compact inflorescence showing complete autogamy. Answer 1. Wind-pollinated plant inflorescence showing flowers with well-exposed stamens. 138. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 2. A3, B4, C1, D2. That is, Frederick Griffith transformation. Frangos Jacob and Jacques Monod, Lac Operon. Hargobind Corona, genetic code. Michelson and Stoll, semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. 139. Spraying sugarcane crop with which of the following plant growth regulator increases length of stem, thus increasing the yield? 1. Auxin, 2. Gibberellin, 3. Cytokine, 4. Abscisic acid. Answer 2. Gibberellin. 114. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Answer 1. A2, B4, C1, D3. That is, rose, perigynous flower. P. Marginal placentation. Cotton, twisted estivation. Mango, droop. 141. Read the following statement and choose the set of correct statement in the member of Phaeophyceae. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 3. A, C, D and E only. That is, asexual reproduction occurs usually by biflagellate zoospores. Stored food is in the form of carbohydrate, which is either mannitol or laminarin. The major pigments found are chlorophyll A, C, and carotenoid and xanthophyll. Vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall, usually covered on the outside by gelatinous coating of algin. 142. Identify the step in tricarboxylic acid cycle which does not involve oxidation of substrate. 1. Malic acid into oxaloacetic acid. 2. Succinic acid into malic acid. 3. Succinyl-CoA into succinic acid. 4. Isocitrate into alpha-ketoglutaric acid. Answer 3. Succinyl-CoA into succinic acid. 143. Given below are two statements. In the light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 3. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. That is, in C3 plants, some O2 binds to rubisco, hence CO2 fixation is decreased. Is true. In C4 plants, mesophyll cells show very little photorespiration while bundle sheath cell does not show photorespiration is false. 144. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 1. A4, B1, C2, D3. That is, GLUT4 enables glucose transport into cells. Insulin, hormone, trypsin, enzyme, collagen, intercellular ground substance. 145. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 1. A4, B2, C1, D3. That is, monoadelphous, China rose, diadelphous, P, polyadelphous, citrus, epiphyllus, lily. 146. The DNA present in chloroplast is 1. Linear double-stranded, 2. Circular double-stranded, 3. Linear single-stranded, 4. Circular single-stranded. Answer 2. Circular double-stranded. 147. In an ecosystem, if the net primary productivity of the first trophic level is 10x, what would be the GPP of the third trophic level of the same ecosystem? Answer 3. 10x KCl m raised to minus 2 y r raised to minus 1. 148. Which of the following are fused in somatic hybridization involving two varieties of plants? 1. Callus. 2. Somatic embryos. 3. Protoplast. 4. Pollens. Answer 3. Protoplast. 149. Match list 1 with list 2. Choose the correct answer from the option given below. Answer 2. A2, B1, C4, D3. That is, citric acid cycle, mitochondrial matrix, glycolysis, cytoplasm, electron transport system, inner mitochondrial membrane, proton gradient, intermembrane space of mitochondria. 115. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the process of replication in E. coli? 1. The DNA-dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in one direction that is 3 to 5 2. The DNA dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in one direction, that is 5 to 3 3. The DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in 5 to 3 as well as 3 to 5 direction. 4. The DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in 5 to 3 direction. Answer 4. The DNA dependent DNA polymerase catalyzes polymerization in 5 to 3 direction.